Set proper goals and guidelines when pursuing affiliate marketing. Knowing how to start affiliate marketing can be daunting at first, however, it can pay off in the long run. It takes patience and a wealth of knowledge to get started on the right foot. This video will provide specific tips and hints on how to make the most out of affiliate marketing. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, make sure that your affiliate company offers their sales statistics in real time. Real-time statistics let you see the number of visitors who have been directed from your site, and how many of those visitors made a purchase from the affiliate company. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, utilize time management software to record your different tasks. This will allow you to evaluate the amount of time that you spend on all of the different tasks you do, and eliminate potential bottlenecks. It can be surprising to learn how much time you waste on simple things like checking your email. A lot of successful affiliate marketers hold question and answer sessions with themselves in order to get ahead in the highly competitive marketplace. You should examine your market and then ask questions on how it could be improved. Of course, then you must work to provide the answers and to improve the market. Make sure that you like and trust the product you are asking your audience to click on. If you are heavily promoting items that are not good or spamming your page with every type of program imaginable, people will stop coming. It's your repeat visitors that will make or break you. Don't lose their trust in you. If you want your affiliate marketing efforts to pay off at the highest amount, you should look for ways to offer a bonus to people who buy through your affiliate link. Since others are promoting the same product or service through their links, you need to find a way to encourage them to buy through you. Affiliate marketing is an outstanding opportunity, but you must know how to do it properly if you desire to make a significant income from it. Having a high search ranking is an important aspect of running a website or blog. Doing this ensures better profits and affiliate links. In conclusion, you learned not only some basics about affiliate marketing but also some specific ways in which you can apply it to your own business. As long as you are committed and have a goal to work toward, the tips in this video should help you find success. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.